Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. Today we will know about hinge mechanical mate. I insert two component in assembly. Select mate, mechanical mate. Third is hinge mate. In mate selections, it is asking about concentric selections. I select this face and this inner face. Here it is asking about coincident selections. I select this face and this face. OK. Again OK. Our hinge mate is activate, but it is rotating 360 degree. For solving this, go to mate, select advanced mate, specify angle, mate selections, select this face and this face. Here enter angle 0 degree, maximum 180 degree and minimum is 0 degree. Again OK for coming out from mate. See here it is going up to 180 degree and return at 0 degree. This is hinge mate in SOLIDWORKS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.